You have no idea what's coming to you. You've been feeling it for quite some time now. And maybe you think you're going crazy, but you're not. You're not going crazy. Your intuition is 100% correct. Just relax and start buckling up. Your life is gonna take a turn for the better. You've been through all the hardships. There will be more challenges to come, but nothing like what you've been through emotionally, psychologically. You've done the work. And yeah, get ready. It's gonna be exciting.